Hello everyone. Today I present you the mechanical calculator Hamann Manus Model R. It's a German brand and it's got a few peculiarities which I will now show you. I will not repeat all the operations because basically they work the same as in the other models except for one operation which we will see. And well, what we can say, this calculator has a position. For example, right now it's completely to the left. And in this position, everything here is disengaged. I can turn, but you see nothing appears, neither in the output register nor in the counter. To activate the mechanism, sorry, I have to take this one out. I have to put it in the first position. Now, if I want to do a sum, oh, I have this one. Sorry about that. I will fix it. This lever allows me to do positive or negative counting. So I had put it in the negative, so it went backwards. Now it's in the positive. I can insert my number. I can put another number. I have the sum straight away, another one, and here it just goes on summing up the numbers. To do subtraction, I have to move this lever here, and now I can insert my number, and if I turn always in the same direction, this was going to do a subtraction, you see? So that's the way this calculator works. It looks similar to an ordinary type, so to a pinwheel calculator, but actually it's quite different because maybe you will have noticed that in a pinwheel calculator, when I insert the number here and I turn, the pins turn, this lever here, they turn together with my crank, whereas here they don't. So it's a different mechanism inside to achieve this fact that the pins, the levers don't turn. Then what we have is we have an automatic reset of the pins here. If I put now this lever in this position, I move it a little bit back and forth, I put it in the fourth position, I turn, I have automatic reset here. So I can insert another number, automatic reset, another number, automatic reset. It's a physical reset straight with this thing here. And I can decide if I do sums, additions or subtractions, I will keep it in this position. If I do multiplication and divisions, I will keep it in the back position. These two levers here are to reset the two register. Here is the counter register. Here's the output register. And we have also this lever here. Now I insert a number. And now when I reset it by hand, I push this one down, and you see there's a yellow flag here appearing. If I now want to reset the output register, what happens? It will carry back this number into the input register. We have seen that in other models. And okay, let's go to the peculiarity of this calculator. If I now reset everything and I pull this one out, oh no, I have to push it in, right. Here you see there's a division symbol and a multiplication symbol. These are wrong, meaning that the machine had it right, but when I ordered it, it arrived by mail and it was broken away. So I re-glued it on, but I put it in the wrong position. That would mean that the division symbol should be on the other side, just to make it clear. So I have pushed this lever in. So, we were talking about division. I have to turn this one once. I put the register on the most right position. I put this into minus, this into minus. I can input the dividend straight in the output register here. So 987. I insert here the divisor, or however it's called in English. Okay, so I want to do 987 divided by 610. And now I just turn. Okay, now it's finished. It's in the disengagement position. So 987 divided by 610 is 1.6180327. Done completely automatically without me having to think or be careful at anything. Once I have inserted the numbers, I can just turn the crank and it will move the carriage automatically to do automatic division, which is really something special. Not many calculators I've seen have this mechanism. And if I know it right, but you will find a lot of videos of people who know a lot more about than me about these calculators. I think since the 1930s or maybe even earlier, the Hamann Manus had this mechanism for automatic division, which is quite a feat, since in all the other models we've seen so far, you have to do that by hand and reason and listen to the bell when you go in underflow and then add a position. Here it happens completely automatic by turning the crank. Having set the machine in the correct way, you just turn the crank and everything happens by itself. Okay, that's about it about the Hamann Manus. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.